We are minutes away from the first game for opening weekend of the 74th season of the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Dito po sa Philoil Flying V Arena. Matagal-tagal na akong bibisita dito kaya hindi ko na alam yung tawag eh.
Sa iba-iba kasi po. Hindi po kami dinadalaw dito.
Medyo busy lang. Medyo busy lang. Pero ito, dito tayo sa laban ng National University and the UP Lady Maroons. Later on, a big matchup right away in the main game. UST versus Ateneo. It'd be interesting also to see those two teams. Of course, UST losing out to LaSalle.
That's right.
In last year's finals. LaSalle will see action for the very first time tomorrow.
First referee, Mr. Rolly Casilian.
University para dun sa mga fans. Ano? And then FEU will go up against UE tomorrow din po yan. Dito rin po sa arena. So sa mga nanonood, punta na kayo. At alam namin pinag-uusapan nyo lahat yan on Facebook, on Twitter. People have been talking about it. So we are now beginning season 74 officially.
Aganon. Wearing jersey number 6, Cookie Salibad. At number 7, Rhea Sante. Wearing jersey number 8, Kai Nepomuceno. At number 11, Lucy Byron. At number 17, Myla Pablo. Libero, number 12, Jan Eunice Galang. Head coach, Mr. Francis Vicente. Calling on our Lady Maroons from the University of the Philippines. At number 2, Lichel Chu. Wearing jersey number 5, Neta Araneta. At number 7, Joyce Palad. Wearing jersey number 8, Pau Henido. At number 16, Princess Se. At number 17, Sao Ramos. Libero, number 10, Bea Cueva. Head coach, Mr. Jarod Ubalde. The best of luck to both teams.
He's gonna try to get used to that, the way Coach Francis Vicente got used to the camera up close to him. The spotlight are on those two coaches and these two teams as the Women's Volleyball Tournament of the 74th season of the UAAP, the centerpiece event for the second semester. Para sa UAAP, Boom Gonzalez po, muli kasama si Doc Ian Laurel, kasama rin natin Victor Lopez and Steph C reporting for NU and UP respectively. ABS-CBN Sports po ang naghahatid sa inyo ng live and exclusive dito po sa Studio 23, the starting 6 on your screen. Glad to have you with us, watching us, pati na rin dun sa replays on Balls Channel 34. Good crowd here at the arena, and it's just gonna get better when we head into our second game. But first, NU. So officially, our volleyball season is in. Last year, sinabi natin, Ian, itong NU, lumakas talaga. Laki nung linakas nila, 4 na panalo ang dinagdag, pero merong mga 2-3 doon na, kumbaga na, ilaglag lang nila sa dulo, no? So, learning experience for them, and will only bode well for them coming into the season as they score the first point.
That's right, and exactly what they need to do, like what Coach Francis said, ang goal nila ngayon is to make it into the Final Four. Not only make it to the Final Four, even try
to make some noise.
I know, try to get a first place or a championship finish for their squad. Remember, we failed to mention the pregame, they have other players who will be playing next year.
Yes, yung mga pinag-uusapang recruits.
Since last year, pinag-uusapan
last year. Sila Dindin Santiago, tsaka sila Cherry May Vivas. From UST and FEU respectively. Pero next year pa yun.
Next year pa.
Pero yun yung mga pinaghahandaan nila. No? Habang wala pa yung dalawa, they're developing the players that they have. They've recruited a couple, and of course, Coach Francis has done an incredible job, regardless of whether they finished in the top 4 last year or not. Kumbaga, pinakaba nila yung mga ibang koponan dito. Marami
nakapansin, marami kinabahan. And in the grand scheme of things, sabi nga niya, yung next year, yun ang makikita nyo na. Kasi some people are asking, when's Cherry May Vivas gonna be playing? When's Dindin Santiago gonna be playing? That's gonna be next year. But this year, sabi ni Coach Francis, it's really they won't miss those girls with the way that they prepare for this season.
Correct. They can't, just say, oh, we're preparing for that year.
Yeah.
They have to build up the team and then parang lalakas ka lang pag dumating yung dalawa.
Totoo yan.
Pero syempre, iba yung binababad mo na sa mga ganitong klaseng laban yung mga natitira dito. Wala na po si Mervic Mangi, but even last year, she kind of stepped back already. It was Nepomuceno has taken the reins of this team. And Mervic Mangi has been the woman for this team for the last, 3 years prior to last year. But Nepomuceno really was the name we mentioned a lot in the campaign of the Lady Bulldogs last year.
In those crucial games that they, nearly won, Nepomuceno was really scoring heavily on those crucial exchanges.
Correct.
Sabi nga natin, kung may katulong lang sana si Nepomuceno when she goes back in the back row, malaki talaga ang improve nitong NU Lady Bulldogs.
Speaking of NU, puntahan natin si Victor Lopez for this report.
Thanks, Boom. Coach Vince told everyone that his team is still a transitional team, but it doesn't mean that they can't win. They're just looking for that final ingredient that'll get them into that Final Four spot. Now, he also wanted the girls to know that they shouldn't focus on who they'll be teammates with next year, speaking about their stellar recruits, of course, but instead focus on the now. Stay disciplined, hungry, and humble, and we'll handle all of this one game at a time. Boom.
Ang punto nga dyan para pag dumating ng dalawang pinag-uusapang recruit na yan, hinog na itong grupo.
That's right. For the side of UP, what I noticed early is that Palad is the setter. She used to be an attacker for the UP squad, but with her height, she's going to be an asset. If she does set for this team, she's got advantage in blocking and in getting those second ball attacks. But of course, she has to get the ball in the proper place. The reception has to work before Joy Palad could have any offense going for her.
Joy, back set, Southfield Ramos. Here's Nepomuceno, who as lanky and as thin as you see her now, for those who are seeing her for the very first time, believe us that she has put on some muscle already this year. Compared to 2 years ago and last year. At kita mo sa palo may konting dagdag talaga na lakas Angelia Araneta, Salibad. Back to Nepomuceno. Yun na yung konting lakas ni Nepomuceno. Nagkakaroon na ng problema sa reception. Nepomuceno again with the left hand this time.
That was a combination attack from Salibad going to Nepomuceno. And obviously you can see she's the #1 option when it comes to the offense of NU.
Yes, look at that. And the adjustment by Nepomuceno forces this timeout. Lamang po ng 5 ang National University. Pakinggan natin ang UP.
Pag tama ng bola sa atin, yun yung naging problem natin. Kasi next yung mangyayari, sa pupuntang direction. Diba? So yung sa block, then bigyan nyo, type kung saan nagkakalik. Nakita-kita kung ano yung movement na gagawin. Yung direction ng parate, same direction. Kailay patay natin. Okay? Mas kapagod tayo. Okay, problem natin yung first ball. Kaya hindi tayo mag-convert ng atake. Puro tayo safe play. Wala tayong simple na attack. Nangyayari. Ha? So,
all right, Coach Jarod Ubalde still very calmly telling the girls that you've got to be in your position. When someone goes up for the block, you got to stay away from the coverage of the block. No? Hindi pwedeng doon ka lang sa likod magtago doon sa block kasi baliwala yung pwesto mo doon. You've got to move and find some areas that aren't covered by the block. Noticeably in the timeout, Boom, former Coach VP Sada just,
backside. Relax lang.
And let Coach Jarod enjoy his first timeout.
Which is a good thing. Dun mo rin, if you're a coach, and we've seen that many times in many sports, Ian, as Ramos finds the corner there and puts it away. You give confidence to your coach also by, di ba, yung hindi ka nakikialam sa, kasi pinag-usapan nyo na lahat yan sa practice, tsaka sa dugout. And then you let him get the feel.
That's right.
Let his feet get wet.
Feel to touch the technical, the timeout button.
Nepomuceno again, look at that. Good recovery by 2, going cross court.
Getting the proper defense or dig to Joy Palad produces results.
Underhand set pa yun.
There you go. Nice hit from Q. Not the tallest in the team, but definitely has the right court sense. to bring the ball to that empty zone.
5 serving 8 now. Good timeout by Coach Jared. Getting
Mabulagan.
them 2 points. And it is Angeli Araneta.
Araneta.
Now the veteran for the Lady Maroons. Their fans have come out here today
Yeah.
at the arena dito sa likod natin. Pumusero off the blockers. And that's where the strength comes in, Ian, ha? Kasi yung dating pahinahinang palong ganyan, makukuha yan.
Totoo.
8-5, technical timeout dito sa arena in San Juan.